Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Those who keep returning back, my online friends, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate all of your comments, all of your conversation, your friendship, and investing in Amari Me. Thank you so much. I really love you. And of course, if you've just turned up and you just, found me by accident, you are welcome too, Stay tuned. You won't be disappointed. Right, let's get straight onto it, okay? Because nobody has got time for a long video, okay? So if you're interested to see exactly how we can help our hair grow, just a little speedier than normal, yeah, you got stay tuned. Don't forget, get some plantain and sit in the front row. So I'm going to be introducing to you the 8th hair growth challenge. We only need a week to do this one because trust me, this is too much. This is going to tax me. I don't even know why I'm doing it, but I like to, research these things and find some things that will help my hair grow. All right, so you've seen in the title, I'm going to be talking about how we're going to grow our hair really quick, okay? But we're going to incorporate it in the August hair growth challenge. For those of you who have not been here on this channel, I'll bring you up to speed, okay? We are doing a year of hair growth challenges, and they've been really good ones. A few ones that we want to cut it, don't stop it now. But I've done every single one of those challenges, and I've had some really great results. Being last month's one, July's one was amazing. I got some really great hair growth in that challenge. So we are now in the August hair growth challenge. This one's going to last for a week, okay? Because I have not got time to do this one. This one is going to challenge me. I know it. I could just see it now. It's going to challenge me. That's why I don't want to do it for a week. Now, this inversion method has been a phenomenon on the internet. Once it started, pretty much like rice water, it kind of took off. Everybody was doing the inversion method. And there's not enough research out there and studies showing that it actually does work. All we've got is a few hundreds of people on the internet, on social media, and proving their results. And there are lots of videos out there that really testify that this inversion method does actually work and you will get extra growth per month. So we're going to try it, okay? It sounds very inviting when you say it like that. But this inversion method doesn't just come on its own, and it's really coupled with massaging the scalp. And as we know, when we massage our scalp, it becomes a completely different ballgame because it helps stimulate the hair growth even further. The study goes further. And furthermore, there are so many studies that show that head massages actually increase the blood flow to the scalp and thus giving healthier, thicker hair. So we want our hair to look very, strong. Now, hanging your head upside down actually helps the blood flow to your scalp. So where the inversion method becomes very effective is once the blood flow is in your head area near your scalp, you then apply an oil to massage your scalp. That will help the stimulation and the hair growth to trigger your follicles to grow. So this is why my DIY comes in, where we're going to use a really great DIY to help the stimulation of the blood flow. You understand? But I must warn you, there are some safety guidelines that you must adhere to. I mean, it's not for everyone to hang upside down. Okay, it's not natural because it can affect the body. Of course, the risks depend on your health and underlying conditions. Because generally, when you're hanging upside down, your blood pressure increases and your heart rate slows down. And also, just to add to that, hanging upside down with the inversion method can cause some kind of back and neck strain, and also could cause dizziness if you're holding yourself in that position for too long. So, if you have problems with the back and the neck, forget it. Don't, this is not for you, okay? Hey, are you listening? If this is you, forget it. You don't want long hair that much, okay? It's not for you. And lastly, women who are pregnant, I don't know why you will want to do it if you're pregnant, because the blood is already flowing there, the baby hormones, just giving you rich hair. Listen, pregnant woman, save yourself and your baby. Darren, I've told you now, okay? Okay, so what we're going to do right now is we're going to go straight into the DIY, because I'm going to be adding a few things, some goodness. And I just want to see if this is going to work, So roll the film. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to be diluting a really rich hair growth stimulant DIY tea along with the hair growth oil because I want it to do two different things. So for this, I'm going to be pouring in, this is boiling water, it's gone a little bit cool. Here we go, I've got 400 mils. I don't know why I put that in, but I have. I'm also going to be putting in hibiscus. Hibiscus is amazing. Hibiscus is really great at combating hair loss. It's fantastic. It also has a lovely scent in it. It's great for drinking as a tea, and it's amazing for blood circulation. It really improves the blood circulation under the scalp, stimulating healthy hair growth. And that's another reason why I want to put it in here as my hair tea to complement the oil. I just want it to infuse the water. Another thing to mention is that hibiscus is really rich in vitamin C and amino acids. Okay, as you can see, that really rich color right there, like so, like that. Of course, I'm going to be putting in some fenugreek seeds. Just for those that don't know, fenugreek seeds is a powerhouse. It's got a high protein and nicotinic acid content in it. It's really fantastic and has wonderful benefits against hair fall and dandruff, and treating a variety of scalp issues as well, like dryness of hair and balding and hair thinning. Fenugreek is your thing. Not only that, it's so slippery, it gives great shine, and it's a very good conditioner to the hair. Let me tell you, this stuff will make your hair grow. Okay, need I say any more about rosemary? Come on now. If you don't know about rosemary, you've just started your journey on a healthy hair growth. Rosemary is great for stimulating and improving circulation to the scalp, thus encouraging hair growth. And so this is the dried rosemary herb, and let me just tell you, it's such a rich, beautiful cleanser due to its antibacterial quality. It gently cleanses the hair as well, and it also gives increasing shine, and it also helps with flaky dandruff as well. So as you can see, I'm popping that thing in, and let me just say, rosemary has such a beautiful scent. Lastly, but by no means least, I need something that's going to get away the power of the fenugreek smell. I don't think the rosemary is going to do it. So I'm going to just put a few drops, maybe 1 or 2 drops of sweet orange essential oil in. Now, in case you didn't know, that it's antiseptic and it's also anti-inflammatory. And it's just a perfect essential oil for any scalp issues. Just going to put 2 in there. And it also moisturizes dry strands, but you can't use too much of this because it's a very, very powerful. And the only reason why I'm putting it in with water at this point is because I'm going to be using it along with the oil as well, because it should work better in a carrier oil. Okay, so while that's steeping, as you can see, I've just got a few of those ingredients in there, and these ones I've picked specifically that will help with hair growth, will combat hair loss, and is really great at stimulating the scalp and improving the circulation. I wanted to make sure that this DIY will go hand in hand with the method that we are doing. Okay, so I'm going to leave that to steep, and then we're going to come back and I'm going to show you what else I'm going to be doing. Okay, right, so back with the DIY, left it to steep, and here we have a really rich substance here. So it's right here. Whilst in editing, I realised that my phone had played up and files had been deleted. So the recording of me telling you that I'm now going to mix my tea with the hair growth oil, which is the Amari Me hair growth oil, you missed it. Okay, so I'm telling you right now, so the next clip you'll see is the whole mixture. Okay, so that's the mixture. That's what I'll be doing. Okay, so you've seen my length. Now I had to put a t-shirt on to so that we could see how far my hair has grown. I'm back to bra strap length. Yeah, I did chop off what I had grown. Yet again, more files that have been deleted. I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's the enemy of progress. Anyway, so for the purpose of this video, I'm standing up just to show you as an example. But for the next 7 nights, I'm going to be massaging my oil mix in my hair whilst my head is draped over the back of my bed. So I will be inverting my head over my bed and massaging my oil and tea mix for 4 to 5 minutes. So some frequently asked questions that people may ask. Take a note. I've got water in my DIY, so I will be keeping this in the fridge. Of course, if you've got any other ingredients like aloe vera and active ingredients, please do not put it by your bedside. Put it in the fridge, okay? So I want to know how many of you sisters is actually going to be joining me. Sorry, and you brothers. I know there are a few of you out there watching my channel. Okay, so if you are wanting to join me on this challenge, because it is going to be a bit of a challenge, you know, you've got to be committed. I want to see, yep, I'm in mail, likes and all of that stuff. Just let me know. Also, I want to know in the comments if you are interested to see my new skincare routine for my 48-year-old skin. I have a new skin routine that has really taken my skin from here to here. And I want to share it with you guys, but I don't know if you'll be interested in that content. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see the skincare routine as well. Okay guys, that's it. And amazingly, if you've been watching me long enough, you know that I've been having hot flushes, yeah, because I'm going from a perimenopause. Fortunately, so far, haven't had any hot flush coming on. Okay, hence the way we are going. I want to say thank you for watching my video. And I'll see you in my next video. You take care now and God bless you. Bye. Why? Why do you do that? Why are you being disobedient? Step back here.